Hello everyone, welcome to Skillify. Next topic here we are going to say is pandas. In the previous class, we have discussed what is pandas and what is series and data frame, what are all the functions we can perform by using that series and data frame. And today we are going to see how we can read some CSV by using this data frame and by using the pandas. First, we have to import the pandas here. So I'm just importing pandas as PD. So today we are going to see how to read a CSV file by using pandas and what are all the properties we are having inside that. For that, first we need to get one CSV file. Here I just download one CSV file from Google. You can get that by Google or that you can create your own CSV file. So I'm just pasting that CSV file in my folder, which is Python project. So I'm just pasting that CSV file here. So the first thing is we have to import that pandas package. After that, I'm just downloading one CSV file from the Google and I'm just pasting that in my folder. So how to read a CSV file by using pandas? I'm just creating one variable df is equal to. Here I'm using the same td dot read CSV, read underscore CSV. This is the way we have to create our CSV. Just I'm pasting my CSV name, that is customer hyphen 100 dot CSV. So this is my file name here. So just I'm pasting that customers hyphen 100 dot CSV. Just I'm printing print df. So this is the way we have to read the CSV. Just I'm creating one variable df and I'm importing pandas. In pandas we are having inbuilt function which is read CSV. Inside that I'm just giving which CSV file I have to read now. After that I'm just printing that. Running this code. Yeah, it was printed that we are having some data inside this customer CSV. So it is just getting the data by using index customer ID, first name and all. But there is one issue. It was printed in a dot lines. It doesn't display all of the fields. It just implemented that by using some dots. First it is printing first four records. After that it is printing dot dot dot. After that we are getting last five records. This is the way we are getting our CSV. So that but we need to print full data, but it is printing along with the dots. It is now we can't able to get all of the data here. So to get the all of the data, we have to use another one function, that is toString of. Print df dot toString of. So what is toString of means? It will remove that dots and it will print the whole data which is available in that particular CSV. I am just running this code now. Yeah, here we are getting all of the records. We can see here we are getting all of the data without any dots. It will display all of the data without any missing data. This is the way. This is our first record. It is displaying 0 to 4. After that, we are getting 95 to 99. It is just printed DF along with the dots. It has some missed documents here. But while using toString of, it will print all of the documents whatever available in that CSV. So toString of is used to get the all of the fields without any dots. So the next thing is head. What is head? Head. Head of will display the first five records. Will display the first five records from the CSV. So what is that first five records we are having in our CSV is, these are all the first five records we are having in our CSV. So the head will print, defaultly it will print first five records in the CSV. Just I'm using that print df dot head down. So I'm just running this code. It will display first 5 records from 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. From this, we are having 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the default index that is created by the pandas. And this is what the index which we have in our own CSV. So it will print the first 5 records which is in CSV. And it will print the entire rows, that is 5 rows and 12 columns. It will print first 5 rows. We can give some values inside this. For example, if I am giving 10 here, so it will display first 10 records which is in that particular CSV. The default function for headers will display the first 5 records in the CSV. But if we gave some values inside that function head means it will display that number of values. If I am giving 30 here, so it will print the 30 values from our CSV. Yeah, see here 30 rows and 12 columns. This is the way we can get the number of columns from by using the head. The next one is tail. Tailor function will display the last 5 records. Will display the last 5 records in the CSV. So I am just printing df dot tail off. So what are all the data we are having in the last 5 column means? This is our CSV. Yeah, we are having these 5 records. That is, these are all the last 5 records we are having in our CSV. So it will print that last 5 records. If I am running this code means we will get last 5 records. That is, this is what we have seen in our own CSV. So it will print that records. So this is the use of tail. Yeah, we can pass any values inside the tail. If I am giving 10 means it will display the last 10 records. From 90 to 100. It will display the values from 90 to 100. See here. Yeah, it will display the value from 91 to 100. This is the way we have to use head and tail. Just we have recalling this to read the CSV file. We are having one default inbuilt function in pandas, that is read CSV. Inside that we have to give the name of the CSV file which we have to work now. After that, I am just printing the df, but directly if I am printing that means it will give some dot and it will miss some records. If we toString is used to get the full records, what are all the data available in the CSV, we can get that by using toString of without any dots. Head of function will display the first 5 records from the CSV. We can pass any values inside that and it will display that number of values by using from that CSV. The next thing is tail. Tail will display the last 5 records in the CSV and the same as we can pass any number of values inside that and it will print that from that CSV. So the next thing here is drop NA. So what is drop NA means? Drop NA will return a new data frame and will not change the original one. That is drop NA will remove the empty records in the CSV. See here, I am just removing one record. I am just removing Roy from the third row here. So I have removed one record. Drop NA will remove that record from the printing statement itself. I'm just using the same CSV file and creating new df is equal to just printing df dot drop NA. So what will it do means it will remove the empty records. That is drop NA. I'm just printing new df. So I'm just running this code. Yeah. See here, the total number of rows is 99 now. But the original rows in the CSV is 100. So it is printing 99 rows because we are having one empty row here. It will delete that row and it will print the remaining rows. If I'm deleting two more records here, I'm just deleting. I have deleted totally three records. Now I'm running that code and it will print only 97 rows because I have deleted three records from that existing CSV. So the drop NA will delete the records and it will create the new data frame, that is a new file, new CSV file. The another thing, another property is here we can use toString off to display the whole records to toString off because we are having some dots here. To remove that, we can use toString off. Yeah. See, whichever data we have deleted, it won't get printed here. The next thing is in place. What is the use of in place means? Already we have discussed drop NA will create a new data frame, but in place will affect the original data frame. That is, in place will update the value in the original data frame itself. I am just using the same thing. I am just deleted the three rows, but it will affect the original data frame. Sorry, df dot. No need to create a new data frame. I am just using the existing data frame without creating a new variable. So it will display 97 rows. The only difference is drop NA will for using the drop NA, we will create a new variable and it will create a new data frame. But if we are using in place is equal to true means we don't need to create a new variable. It will affect the original data frame and it will delete the empty rows which were in the CSV file. So the next thing is fill NA. Drop NA will drop the empty cells from the CSV and fill NA will fill the values which we are giving inside that. For example, if I am giving df dot fill NA, I am just filling some value like 100 and I am giving in place is equal to true because I need to change my original data frame. True. So I am just printing print df dot toString off. So I'm just running this code. Yeah. What will happen here is the deleted rows which we have deleted three rows, that is in second, fourth and second, third and fourth. The data will rename as 100. Yeah, see here we have deleted three rows, three values. So those values are filled with 100 here. This is the use of fill NA. Whatever the values we are giving inside this fill NA, it will fill that empty rows with that value, that is 100. Here I gave 100, so it is filled with 100. If I am replacing some other values here, 2024. Just running this code. Yeah, here we can see 2024. The values which we have deleted is replaced by 2024 here. Yeah, here we have the replaced with 2024 and here we just replace with 2024. This is the use of fill NA. Drop NA is used to delete the empty cells and fill NA is used to fill the empty cells with the value which we give inside that fill NA function. So these are all the basic properties which is in PANDAS and we will discuss the next topic which is MySQL in the next class.